Mark, I'm at the hotel reception.
Did you check in?
No! The receptionist said, "Do you have a reservation?" And I didn't know what to say.
Just say, "Yes, I have a reservation."
That's it?
That's it. Hotel English is simpler than you think.
Today, we learn how to check in at a hotel in English. Whew!
Let's go. I'm Mark.
And I'm Jessica. Welcome to Easy English with Kekemu.
Real English for daily life.
Simple English, not textbook English.
Today, we are learning hotel check-in English.
Perfect for travelers. Quick question.
Have you ever stayed in a hotel?
Tell us in the comments.
Okay. First step. You arrive at the hotel.
You walk to the reception desk.
Reception is the front desk, the place where you check in.
The receptionist will greet you.
Receptionist means the person who works at the front desk.
They will say, "Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?"
Reservation means you booked the room before. You say, "Yes, I have a reservation." Simple and confident.
Then they ask for your name.
Can I have your name, please?
You say, "My name is Jessica Brown."
First name, then family name.
Easy.
Next, the receptionist will ask for your passport.
They say, "Can I see your passport, please?"
Remember, this is a question the receptionist asks you.
Not something you say, something you hear.
Just take out your passport and give it to them.
You say, "Of course, here you are."
Here you are means, I am giving this to you.
Very polite and natural.
Then they give you your room key.
In many hotels today, the key is a card.
A key card. You can ask, "Can I have the room key, please?" Or they will say, "Here is your key card. You are in room 204.
Remember your room number.
Very important.
Now, the good part.
What do you mean?
You can ask the receptionist questions.
Yes, don't be shy. This is their job. They want to help you. Just take out your passport and give it to them.
Question 1. What time is check-in?
Check-in time means when you can go to your room.
Usually 2 or 3 in the afternoon.
Question 2. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is usually in the morning. The receptionist will tell you the time.
Question 3. Is Wi-Fi free?
Very important question.
Everyone asks this.
Free means no cost. You don't pay.
Question 4. Where is the elevator?
Elevator means the machine that takes you up and down in the building.
In British English, we say lift.
In American English, we say elevator.
Both are correct.
These 4 questions are very useful at any hotel.
Now let's hear a full check-in conversation.
Listen carefully.
Good evening. Welcome to Park Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Jessica Brown.
Thank you, Ms. Brown. Can I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. You are in room 204. Here is your key card.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning.
And is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free. The password is on the key card.
Great. Where is the elevator?
The elevator is on your right.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay, Ms. Brown.
That was so natural.
You asked 4 questions. You got all the information you need.
And it wasn't scary at all.
Simple English is enough.
Let's review the most important phrases.
I have a reservation.
Say this when you arrive.
My name is Jessica Brown.
First name, then family name.
Can I see your passport, please?
Remember, this is what the receptionist asks you. You will hear this.
Here you are.
This means I am giving you something.
What time is breakfast?
Always useful to ask.
Is Wi-Fi free?
The most important question.
Where is the elevator?
Elevator or lift in British English.
7 useful phrases. That's all you need for hotel check-in.
Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I have a reservation. My name is Jessica Brown. Here you are. What time is check-in? What time is breakfast? Is Wi-Fi free? Where is the elevator?
Excellent. Now you are ready to check in at any hotel.
That's hotel check-in English.
Remember, you only need simple sentences.
I have a reservation. My name is... Where is the elevator?
Simple English is enough.
Have you ever stayed in a hotel? Which phrase will you use first? Tell us in the comments.
In the next lesson, we will learn more simple English for daily life.
Subscribe for more real English for daily life.
See you next time.
Bye!